What's good? It's Aliya. This is how I fit all my hair under this wig. Start by taking groups of your locks and rolling them like this. Wrap the ropes around your head like a crown. You can keep the ropes secure with bobby pins, but honestly, I just tuck them into each other. Just a disclaimer, this method is for afro wigs and big textured wigs. This is not going to work for a flat, sleek wig. Yo, I know this looks busted, but this is what works for me. Now stretch the wig over your hair. Obviously it's going to take longer if you have more hair, so just be patient. This wig is called J Curls. It's by a black-owned business called City Girl Curls. Go support my girl. I'm going to link everything in the description. Anyway, I hope that helped. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!